You swimming?
Yeah, but do you have a shower at your house?
A shower? Oh, you trying to shower at my crib?
I mean, why not?
We just met.
So?
So what?
Let's have some fun.
Oh, you trying to have fun?
Yeah.
Yo, I don't see any girls out here, but hold on. Shorty walking up real quick.
Good, how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
This dude is trying to talk to me.
What's your name?
Andrea.
Nate, nice to meet you.
I'm really busy right now. I really can't talk, so I got...
Wait, so can I get your Instagram real quick before you go?
No.
Why?
I can't get my number nor my Instagram.
How come?
No, I really gotta go.
Why are you being so rude though?
Look at you and look at me.
What do you mean?
Did you really think... I'm stopping what I'm doing right now to speak to you.
Okay.
Okay, realize that. This does not happen.
Why are you being so rude though?
I'm not being rude. I think you should just walk away.
Like you're being mad disrespectful. So I can't get your number?
No, not my number, not my Instagram, not my Snapchat, not my Twitter, none of that. I was on the phone, you rudely stopped me. So continue with your day.
Bro, you tripping. Bro, she tripping, man.
Is this your car?
Huh?
Is this your car?
Yeah, why? What's up?
I mean, damn, can I see it? Can I just walk around it real quick?
Oh yeah, you can see it if you want.
Wait, is that your chain too?
Yeah, I just got it out of my car, right?
These are real diamonds? Is this really yours? Are those real diamonds and is this really
You
yours?
just saw me get the chain out of my car.
Anyone could have unlocked that car. I'm sure the door was just unlocked.
You see the key in my hand though, right?
A rental.
You got jokes.
Okay.
Can you put on my chain for me real quick, please? What was your name again?
It's Drea.
Andrea?
Yeah.
Okay, but you from out here?
Yeah, you could say that.
Okay, but you got me? You want me to hold your phone so you don't drop it?
Oh, please.
Okay, but appreciate it.
Don't run away with it, because I still don't believe it.
Why would I run? You see, chain costs more than your phone. Come on now. Why would I run away?
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
I still don't believe that it's yours, but I mean, I'll help you.
I'm putting it on. Whose own could it be? Wait, so you got a boyfriend?
Yeah. Oh, this chain's a little...
Well, you say you got a boyfriend?
I do.
Where is he at?
I don't believe that this is yours.
Can you put on my chain? You trying to run off? Can you please put on my
I'll put
chain?
it on in the car. Show me the car. I
Can
want to
we?
sit down.
I want to sit down with my chain on though. All right, I'm gonna just put it on.
Please.
All right, but appreciate it. Wait, so what was you finna do?
I mean, I'll put your... I really just want to put it on in the car. I want to sit in your car. If it's your car, take me down the street.
Why you want to sit in my car?
If it's really yours, you'll take me down the street.
If it was my car, I'd take you down the street.
Yeah, you take me to your house, actually.
For real? Or would we do
If
it?
it's your car, you can take me to your house. If it's then you're lying.
I'm lying. Why would I lie? You seen me got the key in my hand.
Like I said, there's a lot of rentals.
A lot of rentals. Well, this ain't one of those. What you call it though? How old are you? Oh, you 21, so you legal.
Yeah, I'm legal.
But so what you on?
Is this legally yours? You don't want to put me in the car, so I feel
Oh
like
my
you're
gosh.
lying.
All right, come on, sit down.
I live here.
Oh, you live here?
Something like that.
You got a condo?
Oh. Oh, this is you. Okay.
Obviously. Ain't no cap in my rap.
You gonna get in the car too?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit in the driver's.
Okay.
You good?
I'm
Wash your
waiting.
hands.
Fuck. This is awesome. Let me get some money.
Yeah, so what were you doing in River Oaks?
Honestly, just chilling.
Oh,
Now I'm chilling with you. Yeah, I was supposed to be chilling with my dude, but he doesn't even matter anymore.
Oh, he don't matter no more?
You're the one who matters. I mean, look at your car, look at your chain, look at, I mean, just...
Oh, but a second ago you said it wasn't mine though.
I know, but like you still haven't even turned it on.
You said it's busting? Show the diamonds busting?
Yeah. Are they real?
Are they real?
I mean, it's rose gold. It could be plated.
Oh my gosh, you trying to play me? Why are you trying to play me?
I'm not. I'm just trying to see if you're really about it, because I mean...
it's hot in here, so I'm gonna just put the AC on real quick.
Oh, please. Fuck, my text is super hot.
You swimming?
Yeah, but do you have a shower at your house?
A shower? Oh, you trying to shower at my crib?
I mean, why not?
We just met.
So?
So what?
Let's have some fun.
Oh, you trying to have fun?
Yeah. You got a cool car. I mean, I feel like we'd be cute. We could fuck on top of it.
On top of the car? Oh, so you into that freaky stuff?
I'm into that freaky shit. You caught my eye. At first you didn't, but then...
Wait, so at first I did it, but then you see my car and then...
The car... Well, first it was the chain, honestly. Then it was the car.
You didn't even see the chain though. You saw the car first.
I know. So you were paying attention to me like that. See, I was paying attention to you like that.
You was paying attention to me?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
I had to reject you at first to see if it was really valid or not.
No, I was trying to get your number.
I know. I mean, you can have it now.
I can have it now. Wait, where my phone at? Oh, let me see if I can. Wait, so you really stay near here? Because I stay near here too. And this is the first time I ever seen you.
I really live on the north side, but...
Oh, for real?
That doesn't matter.
No, I got a penthouse like downtown. It's like a solid 10-15 minutes away.
Let's go. We can have some fun.
Oh, they actually just opened the pool. You got a swimsuit or you trying to go skinny dipping?
Let's do skinny dipping. Because I want to see what you got. I mean, you got this, the chain. I'm sure the package is just as nice.
The package?
Mm-hmm. Your package.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
just as nice.
Oh, okay. I mean, I guess you're going to find out. You don't have to find out, baby. Wait, you on birth control?
Shit. With this car, I might not be.
What do you mean?
I mean, does birth control really matter?
What do you mean, does it really matter?
Does it really matter?
What is you saying? Hell yeah. You trying to have kids?
Look at your car. Look at your chain. Of course I'm trying to have your baby. So let's go to your house. I'm just kidding. I just wanted to see what you would say.
Nah, wait, so you're on birth control?
Whatever you want me to be on.
Wow.
I'm on what you want.
Nah, I gotta know for sure, you feel me? Like, I'm not trying to, my pull-out game, low-key, not all that. So I gotta make sure. Huh?
Then don't pull out.
Why would I not pull out if you're not on birth control?
Well, you won't even pull this car out, so I'm sure.
Oh, so you want me to drive?
Yeah, I've been waiting for that.
Wait, so you really trying to go to the crib though?
Yeah, I've been trying to go to the crib.
No, honestly, I'm hungry, but I could say F food and just go straight to the crib, I guess.
Do that. You can eat something else.
What?
I'll have something for you to eat.
What's that?
It's unlimited.
You got a taco?
Something like that.
Oh, so you expecting me to eat it?
Oh yeah.
You funny.
Devour it.
So what am I gonna get in return though? Can you hold my chain? Nah, matter of fact, I'm gonna keep my chain.
No, let me hold it.
Nah, you good.
Why can't I hold it?
You good?
Oh, it's
You
okay.
good? I'm gonna just slide it right here.
You can slide something else in, actually.
Where you trying to have me slide it?
Fuck, wherever you want to.
Wherever I want to?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's how you feeling?
That's exactly how I'm feeling. Oh, okay, so this is yours.
Hell yeah.
So far, there's no cops.
I told you, I don't be capping. Like, that's why I was trying to, get to know you, but you wasn't trying to have it.
Well, I mean, now I am.
Now you are?
Yeah.
Because of my car.
No, I mean, your personality's cool too, but I mean, 90% of it is the car.
Oh, 90%?
Yeah, but we don't need to talk about that.
Wait, so what's your favorite position?
Shit, doggy style.
For real?
Yeah, like
So you want me to hit it from the back?
Heck yeah, you see, now you're speaking my language.
Now I'm speaking your language?
Yeah, you speak
Oh, your seatbelt. You gotta be safe. Safety first,
Well, what you gonna do, spank me?
Oh, you want me to spank you?
Please.
Yo, you're crazy. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I like your personality. At first, you was kind of like iffy, I mean, you still give me gold digger vibes, but at least you a gold digger with a nice personality, well, an outgoing personality.
Gold digger?
Yeah.
Sweetheart.
What's up?
I'm not a gold digger.
You're not a gold digger?
No.
What are you?
I'm just genuinely, an opportunist. There we go. I'm just
Oh.
genuinely interested in what you have.
Oh, that's what you call it? You're interested in what I have?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just want to know what you have.
And you're trying to have kids and we just met. That's crazy. You said,
I mean, you got to be spontaneous in this world.
Spontaneous?
Yeah.
So people be spontaneously having kids? I never heard of that before.
Shit, look around.
Look around.
Look around.
Shit, when I look around, all I see is you.
Is that the line you use on most gold diggers or what?
Shit, I don't use lines on gold diggers, if I'm being real with you.
Oh, then I passed the test.
Oh, you passed the test?
I mean, I'm in the car.
I didn't know we was doing a quiz.
We're not, but I mean...
You mean what?
I'm in the car, we're moving.
Yeah.
We're going to your place. You said you were hungry, I offered you some food.
No, you didn't offer me food.
I did.
That's food? That's what you call food?
It's me, it's attached to a snack, right? So therefore it is.
Damn.
Oh, I'm not a snack, I'm a meal.
I could definitely see you having your legs over my shoulder though. I'm not gonna lie.
And I got long legs too.
Yeah, perfect.
Exactly.
You feel me? And on top of that, I could tell your eyes be rolling back the way you be, you know? Yeah.
You gonna make him roll back.
I'm gonna make you leave your boyfriend in a second.
I'll text him right now, actually.
Oh, you finna text him and leave him?
I mean, if you're serious about who you are, why not? I really don't need him. I truly don't need him.
Nah, yeah, text him and tell him you leveled up.
He has a Honda. Fuck that.
For real?
Yeah, fucking Honda. Do you see me? Do I look like the bitch that belongs in a fucking Honda? No, I belong in this car with you next to me.
Nah, you look more like a Prius. You don't like those?
Insulting.
Huh?
That was insulting. Look like a freaking Prius. Okay.
How is that insulting though?
That's a Prius.
It's safety first. You gonna drive safe in a Prius? Because I'm driving. I don't know if you could handle this if you was driving by yourself.
What?
I don't know if you could be safe if you was driving it by yourself. But a Prius is just your speed. You feel me?
No, this is my speed. You're my speed.
Gold diggers be driving Prius all the time. They be trying to act
But
bougie.
I'm not a gold digger, right?
What do you mean Priuses?
So I deserve the i8.
Oh, you need an i8.
Mm-hmm.
Shit. I mean, I guess for the day you can. As long as you know, we have a good time. Because that's what I'm trying to do.
Can I start something in the car?
Because your energy changed. Oh, you trying to start something in the car?
Why not?
You trying to make me crash?
I'm not gonna make you crash.
Nah, don't do that right now.
Are you sure?
Shit. Nah, I'm positive. I'm positive. What are you looking at? My chain?
Yeah.
Oh,
And what's next to the chain?
What's next to my phone?
Under the pants. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, you
got a
gotta put
little
your seatbelt
excited. My bad.
Nah, yeah, facts. I understand though.
I'm sorry. You're just so intriguing.
I'm intriguing.
I can do it with the seatbelt on though.
Oh, so what you trying to say? You flexible?
Mm-hmm.
So
You can bend me any way you want.
Man, all right, fuck it. I'm gonna speed to the crib.
Please.
It's over. I'm about to tear that shit up. Well, you don't need a drink, right? You good?
No, I'm good.
All right, better say that.
I'm excited to see the crib, your chain, what you have.
My chain, the crib, what I have.
Mm-hmm.
Shit. All I have right now is you, baby.
That's all you need.
That's all I need?
Mm-hmm.
For real?
That's all you need.
For real? Okay. I like that.
That is all you need is
So
me.
you texted your boyfriend, right?
I just told him that I was gonna be a little late.
Oh, so you didn't tell him you was leaving him?
I gotta see if you're really bad at it though. Like I don't want to leave what I have for someone else. That's not if it's not a better option.
No, it's definitely a better option. You should do it right now.
Well, it needs to be proven. Like I said, this could be a
Right.
rental. I got to see what your house looks
A
like.
rental? No, I told you I got a penthouse. I don't lie.
I mean, that's cool, but like,
I'm on the top floor, baby.
and I live in a $50 million house. See, anyone could say that.
Oh, okay. I get what you're saying.
Mhm.
But you see my car, so you know how I'm living.
I already called it a rental, and you've yet to take me to the house.
That's where we going right now. So I don't know why you acting like that.
Because you called me a gold digger, now my feelings low-key hurt. Like, I'm just trying to vibe with you.
You're just trying to vibe.
Yeah, I'm
No,
just trying to see what you
the
about.
only reason I said that was because at first, you know, you wasn't trying to pay me no mind, give me any attention. And now when you see my car, you gave me attention. But it's all good though. We're gonna have some fun. It don't matter.
Because you're a random stranger talking to me. And when you
Okay, but
stopped, I felt better. Because
I get
I was
it.
walking and I was on the phone. When I got off the phone, I saw you standing and I decided, okay.
No,
You
yeah.
just happened to be standing next to your car.
I get what you're saying. I
But,
feel
I mean,
it.
there's
I
no-
feel it. Now we can still have fun, you know, and see where stuff goes.
I would hope so.
That's what I'm trying to say. Like I said, I like your personality. You're really,
I like
you're really
yours, too.
outgoing. And you're really straight to the point, straightforward. I like that. A lot of people aren't like that. For me,
Mm-hmm.
so I already know we about to have some, you know,
Bomb fun.
some bomb fun.
Some bomb fun. It's gonna be great.
Nah, facts.
Oh, I'm excited.
You excited?
Yes, of course. Apparently, there's a penthouse. I'm in the IA. I mean, there's a lot of things to be excited about now, is there?
No, yeah, that's a fact. Oh, you like that?
Yes, this is so.
It's like a spaceship. All it's missing is the stars. I was gonna get a Rolls Royce, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna get this.
You can afford a Royce.
Man, I'm gonna show you when we get back to the crib.
There's more cars.
Hell yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
I told you it was nice. I don't know why you feel like I was capping.
This is really all of you. This is like, you got this view going.
All me.
Is this the bake bear?
Yeah. Oh, you know about those?
That's a bake bear. Heck yeah,
Yeah.
I know about those.
Okay. I feel you.
You got a plug in the island.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a little fighter right there. No one has a plug in the island.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, you was trying to play me at first.
I'm trying to play it.
You wasn't trying to play me?
No, I'm trying to play something.
What are you trying to play? Video games?
Different type of game.
What game is that?
Maybe just. Come here. Where's your bedroom?
Huh?
I'll show you in your bedroom.
Sure did. Are you trying to get straight to it?
Oh, did you want to like?
I mean,
talk or something
nah,
first?
we
Share
good. Shit, come on,
Okay.
say less.
I thought you wanted to share feelings.
Shit, feelings. Nah, come on, let's go.
I'm on the road to riches driving by ya. Why they want pop my tires? Grew wings, got fire.